cell division. Reproduction, growth, repair, and replacement of old cells involves the multiplication of cells. For cells to be able to multiply, they undergo cell division, where one cell divides into two cells divide into four, and so on. The resultant cells from these divisions are called daughter cells, which are similar to the parent cells. Play the animation below to see the cells dividing. In order to understand the process of cell division, it is important that we discuss and understand chromosomes, which are the vehicles of heredity. They determine characteristics of daughter cells and the organisms that develop from these cells. Chromosomes. These are thread-like structures found in the nucleus of a cell. Chromosomes remain invisible when a cell